Hey everybody, good morning. I wanted to show you today a little way to customize a Cadence Design Library block. And I'm going to go right up to the Design Library. I'm in the Cadence Library, and I'm going to just choose a hero image. Okay, and this is it's got a parallax design behind it. We talked about this before where you can see an image in the background and the text it scrolls past the image, so it gives you a nice little 3D experience. But if you want to make it a little more your own, what you can do is go over here to the editing panel and under layout, and you'll see top divider and bottom divider. And I'm going to click bottom divider, and I'm going to select a divider, and I'm going to choose this shape. And you can see here, if I move me out of the way, this shape is now at the bottom of my layout, my block. Okay, so, and the divider color is white. So what if we made that color this blue? Okay, this is one of our palette colors. And you can see that this is a really cool effect because it points right to your call to action button. It's a nice, subtle reminder to people to focus on that call to action button. We can even make the divider a little taller so it points right to it. And that shape also echoes this mountain shape that's in the background of this block. And this is a nice way to make your website look consistent and, really pulled together. It's all these shapes that echo each other. And look at how that just, says, hey, click on this call to action button. It's a simple little thing to do. Again, I would not overdo a lot of these little customizations, but here and there where it makes sense, it really can make your website stand out and look special. Okay, thanks for joining me.